Hello peeps, it is good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. Have you been searching on YouTube how to replace the thermal compound, the thermal paste, on this Lenovo Legion Y540, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide then. I will install a brand new battery and, like I said, replace the thermal paste. So without further procrastinating, let's get straight into it, shall we? The back cover consists of two parts, so I will start with this one, only two screws. I will grab like this and just pull down. Further, I need to remove both of the drives, the M.2 and the SATA drive. I only got two screws here, you'll probably have four. This motherboard port for the SATA 3 SSD breaks so easily, have to be careful. There are a whole bunch of screws here and I only got 7, so please don't let this fool you. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. There are a few tiny slits here, barely visible but still present, and will help you get started to get your prying tool in between. If you successfully want to remove the heatsink, you need to unfasten these 7 screws. Beware that they don't go out all the way. When you feel a clicking sensation underneath your screwdriver, then you should stop. I need to do a lot of cleaning and remove the old thermal paste from the heatsink as well as the GPU and the CPU. I've cleaned the heatsink as well, as you well see to your left. Now it's time to apply the thermal paste. I use the Arctic brand. This small dot, or should I say short line, should be enough. Here, what I prefer to do is fasten all the screws lightly and then come back and tighten them, but not crazy strong. I forgot to reconnect this fan. Brand new battery. Make sure you tuck the wires like this. I am making a grave mistake here, ladies and gents, because my battery is plugged in and I'm touching the components like you see, both of the hard drives. So please make sure you connect the battery last and not do what I'm doing here. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.